Hello teachers! Kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-explore sa Xepto Academy, make sure you visit dahil meron silang courses with CPD credits. Very important and helpful ito para makaipon tayo ng mga points for our license renewals. So let's check out these courses. Managing synchronous and asynchronous activities, how to mitigate online cheating, reimagining education, designing for scalability and adaptability, and also the keys to getting hybrid learning right. Yes, these courses have CPD points and you can get a certificate after. Fully online and fully self-paced ang ating mga courses. Kaya mag-sign up na kayo sa academy.xeptoeducation.com to enroll in these courses. We have a bonus! Xepto Academy is giving away 1 year free access to 3 lucky teachers. All you have to do is to check my previous post for the mechanics. See you at Xepto Academy!